Hey guys, today we're doing a self-empty test on the iRobot Roomba i6 Plus because as you noticed, I got a clean base for it. I got this for Christmas. I just forgot to make a video on it. But what I decided to do as a little test is I emptied all of my robot vacuums, the Eufy25C, Shark Ion, Shark IQ, and Proscenic M7 Pro into the spin, and we'll test the empty ability. But first, probably should have done this before starting the video. We're in a different room, but I'm going to throw in a couple jelly beans. Just as a fun test. Because, I mean, gotta test it. I mean, can't just... Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Wait. Sorry. I don't know how many jelly beans I put in here. I didn't count. But now let's close this up. Take it back into the room. And then we'll shake the bin before and after. So before. You can hear I'm kind of rumbling around in there. And if you have a Roomba, a lot of people don't know this. Exception for the Roomba J7 because it doesn't have one. But if your Roomba is on the clean base and you click the home button, then it will begin to empty. But this is an exception on the J7 because that one doesn't have a home button. And let's start emptying. I really don't have high hopes for that. Usually can hear it suck everything out. So, oh my god. It got everything except the jelly beans. So let's tell it to go again. Try again. Oh. We'll see if it got them all that time. Sounds like it got a lot of them. That is so weird. Let's empty. We got 1, 2, 3 jelly beans on. So I'm gonna get them like close to the port. Like I'm gonna move them towards the port. So maybe then it might empty better. I don't know. We'll see. Let's try this one more time. Huh?
Reinstall the bin, then press clean.
It is. It's again, I still don't have hope. That time I missed. Okay, I missed 2. I thought I was originally about to say I missed 1, but so I missed these 2 and a little piece of dirt. I'm just gonna put them into the port. We don't have all day. I just put them in the port and we're gonna tell it to empty one more time. I know this is a lot of emptying. But you think after all these empties it would get it. I bet you if I did that same test with my, on my D-Bot N8 Plus, we'd probably get it all out. I actually plan on, I think I might return that and get the TAAIVI. So, I think it's kind of obvious. It's all gone, but... So, comment below, is there any other tests you want me to do on any of my robot vacuums with my i6 Plus, the about N8 Plus, which you guys better get that one done soon, because I plan on returning that to get the TAIVI, the about N79W and Rock S4. Once again, you need to be quick because those ones are for sale. Proscenic M7 Pro, One of my favorites, Shark IQ. And then in another room, I have a Eufy 25C and the Shark Ion. So feel free to comment. I'll try my best to do it. Just don't make it something too crazy or something that might not destroy them. If it's something that would destroy the robot or some part of the robot, then either I won't do it, or I'll do it eventually, but who knows when. So feel free to comment below, and see you guys in the next one.